Hi everybody, it's me, Tony Gillespie, and welcome to my channel. Today I have two of my three brothers. One of them is sick, right? Or not sick, he just said his stomach wasn't feeling good. So this is Matthew. You guys remember him from the vlog I did a couple months ago in Dallas.
Perception of time is terrible.
Yeah, I know, it's really not that great. And this is my older brother, Philip. He's okay, I guess. Okay. So, today we're doing something really dumb called the Fart Soundboard Challenge. Yeah. Grace Helbig, Hannah Hart, and Mamie Hart did this a while ago, and we all know how much I love Grace, so I figured why not do that challenge. My brothers are here for Thanksgiving, so yeah, we're gonna do it. Erica is behind the camera. She's gonna be our fart DJ. It's a little bit different than the normal video, but yeah, the rules are Erica's gonna Erica's gonna say a fart to us. If we laugh at the title of that fart, we have to take a shot. If we don't laugh at the title and Erica plays the fart and we laugh at the fart, we have to take a shot. However, if you laugh at the title and take a shot, you don't have to take a shot if you've laughed already. Or I don't know what I'm saying.
If you've already laughed at the title, you don't have to take an extra shot if you laugh at the fart.
Yeah, exactly. Matthew said it better than I did.
The first fart is called Wet and Wimpy.
Ew. I didn't like the end.
Gosh!
I didn't like the end.
To be the first one.
Oh, that's warm.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. I also forgot to say.
Are going down.
We're doing 4 half shots or 2 full shots. Whoever gets the 2 full shots first is out, and then we'll just keep going until someone's the winner.
Sucks. Dick.
That's half a shot for me and Philip already.
I'm winning.
You ready?
Next one.
The next one is called Donut Cream Filler. Again, I say Donut Cream Filler.
Ooh, so disgusting.
I did it. I made it. Take a shot. That is an interesting title, that's for sure.
I'm dead.
Alright, so we all have half a shot now.
The next one is Sphincter Stinker.
No!
Sphincter Stinker.
I can't, I already have one shot. Dang.
Sounds like me on a good day.
Matthew's gonna win by default.
Yeah, I know, Matthew's gonna win by default.
Why am I gonna win by default?
Because we already have 2 shots in.
You only have 1.
Well, yeah, well, we're doing 2.
I'm really good at this game.
Yeah, are you? Okay, next shot. I mean, next part.
Tuna Milk Madness.
Oh.
Keep on going. I thought I was gonna so well.
It's gonna stop.
No, that one
kept on going.
Oh my god, this is gonna be actually shorter than I thought it was gonna be.
Stop playing it.
No, it's hilarious.
It's so long.
Oh man, this video is gonna be shorter than I thought it was gonna be.
Would you like ketchup?
Would you like ketchup?
No, that one's weak as hell.
Yeah, come on, Erica, do
Yay! Jeremy's here.
that. Jeremy's taking over the fart DJ.
This is called the gas hole.
Wait, was that?
We're good. We're good.
Tony's doing his best not to laugh.
I'm like biting my lip. No, it's fat. It's fat. I'm desensitized to it now. You can't.
BMX lax.
What's happening?
I'm gonna say I made it. Phil,
What
you're out.
crawled at that person's butthole?
Oh my god.
Die!
The rapid fire.
Your ass is just stopped and keep playing it.
I mean, the round is over. Philip's out. It's between me and Matthew. If I take one more shot, I'm out. If Matthew takes 3? Are you still on 3?
No, I got.
Oh, now you take 2 more shots. He's out. Okay, so let's do this. Go bye,
Colin
Phil.
Powell.
Bob Felicia.
Okay.
Colin Powell.
Sorry, that was supposed to be me.
Ooh, that was weak. Next part.
Macaroni and squeeze.
It sounds like macaroni and cheese. Sounds pretty funny.
Alright.
You sound like you're not actually amused by that.
It was actually pretty good.
Do it. Take it. Alright. Last shot. Alright, we've got 1 more shot. Whoever takes the last shot is the loser because we're at 1.5 shots now. So, Jeremy or Erica, whoever.
This is called Anus Madness.
I think that's gay.
I laughed first. Okay, alright. Last shot.
Cheers to
That was
farting
so
madness.
funny.
Oh.
That was the
Anus
best
shot.
one. Good job.
Well,
That was what
Matthew,
it was.
you are the Fart Soundboard Challenge winner. Congratulations.
It's with my hand.
I'm
Oh.
sure.
Where's the belt?